Nice to meet you, everyone. Today we're going to learn step by step how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and how to complete KYC verification. Please follow along at your own pace. First, if you sign up through the link below the video you are currently watching, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and various bonus rewards, so I recommend signing up through the link below this video. First, let's learn how to create a Binance account. When you access Binance through the link below this video, the official Binance registration page will open. On this screen you can see that the 20% discount on Binance trading fees and the bonus rewards have been applied. Now let's create a new account. Please enter your email address or mobile number in the input field. Check the agreement box below and click the register button. When a verification code is sent to the email address or mobile number you entered, please enter the verification code. Now enter your password. Your password must contain at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Your account will then be created. If you did not access Binance through the link, the inviter code entry page will appear. Since an inviter code cannot be added after creating your account, make sure to enter it at this stage. When you click the Yes button, the referral ID input field will appear. Please enter BB333 here. You can then receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees and various bonus rewards. Your Binance account has now been successfully created. Second, let's learn how to complete KYC verification. To use Binance's deposit withdrawal and trading features, you must complete KYC verification. Once your account has been created, you will be taken directly to the KYC verification page. First, select your residence. Next, proceed with identity document verification. From the various document types, select one type of identity document that you have. Today we'll select passport for verification. After selecting it, check all the agreement boxes below and click the Continue button. A QR code for KYC verification will be generated on the next screen. Please scan the QR code with your mobile device. The KYC verification screen will then open on your mobile device. Tap the Start Scanning button. When the camera scanning screen appears, position the information page of your passport inside the frame and take a clear photo without any light reflections. Next, facial verification will begin. Position your face in the center of the frame and follow the on-screen instructions to nod your head or blink your eyes. The KYC verification process will then be complete. The KYC verification review will now take approximately 1 hour. And once your verification is approved, your KYC verification will be successfully completed. Lastly, let's learn how to set up two-factor security. Since your Binance account contains your assets, you must set up two-factor authentication. First, click the profile icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Next, click Account in the left-hand menu and select Security to configure your security settings. You will then be taken to the security settings screen. Generally the most powerful and secure option, the Authenticator app is the most commonly used. Click the Manage button next to Authenticator app. Next, click Enable Authenticator app. When a verification code is sent to your registered email address or mobile number, please enter the verification code. The Authenticator link pop-up will then appear, and you will see that a QR code has been generated. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Next, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanning screen appears, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. A 6-digit code will then be generated in the Google Authenticator app, along with your Binance account. Since this code is regenerated approximately every minute, you must always check and use the latest code. Return to the PC screen and click the Next button below. Enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. The Google Authenticator app will then be activated, and the two-factor authentication setup will be successfully completed. Today we learned step by step how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and how to complete KYC verification. If you experience any difficulties or have any questions while signing up, Please feel free to ask in the comments at any time. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and like. Thank you for watching until the end.